Hello guys, welcome back to R.J Tech. Today, we're going to show you how to install Google Play Games Beta on your PC and start playing your favorite Android games in PC. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have the following system requirements. First, open your web browser and go to the official Google Play Games Beta website. You can find the link in the description below. Click on the download button to download the installer. You see installer start downloading. Then open the installer and click on the install button. You see downloading process start. Once the download is complete, it will automatically install in your PC. Once the installation is complete, launch Google Play Games Beta from your desktop or start menu. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Sign in with your Google account. If prompted, verify your identity using your phone or another method. After signing in, you'll see the Google Play Games Beta home screen. Now, let's browse the game library. You can search for your favorite games using the search bar or explore the categories. Once you find a game you like, click on it and then click Install to download it to your PC. After the game is installed, click Play to launch it. The game will open in a new window, and you can start playing using your keyboard and mouse. Enjoy the seamless gaming experience with Google Play Games Beta on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more tutorials. Hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Happy gaming!